Welcome back to another video, and we are at the Louis Vuitton in Marseille, France. I say it wrong a lot of times in this video, but it's pronounced Marseille. So this is one of the bags we looked at. So stay tuned for more. The unboxing, I will show you more footage of Marseille, France, if you're interested. It's such a beautiful, romantic little town. They have McDonald's and Burger King, so stay tuned. This is a Caramel Macchiato in Marseille, France. And there's my coach and my backpack. And enjoying the breeze. Peace out. Is a Nutella crepe with bananas. It was real rich, and then we had a crepe with ham and cheese and egg on top. By the way, the backpack I bought from Louis Vuitton in Marseille, France. Here's my receipt. And I got 3 little samples. Cute. Welcome back to another video. I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this is the backpack. I'll just tell you, most of you cookies know your girl love a good backpack, and so I decided to go with the backpack. It's the men's backpack. I didn't want the small girly one because you know your girl like to carry too much and carry it all. So let's get into the unboxing. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, and let's get into the box. This is the box. Here's the little card. Yeah, this is the little card, and then this is just how you open it. What this little card say? Does it say anything? Oh, it's just a little envelope. Oh, is this sealed? Oh, this is sealed. So, I don't know what the card would say, but probably thank you for your purchase. So let's get into the box. It's huge. It's huge. So we push it open here. It's like a little, so you guys can see what your girl got. Push. There we go. And then this is the bag. And then here is the box. Oh, my Louis Vuitton receipt. I will show you guys the receipt. It's in my bag. But this is it. Look at the nice dust bag. Oh, it's cute. It's huge. I love the blue strings. It's like a big old jumbo. Oh, it's so nice. So let's get into it. Let's get into it. This is it. This is it. This is the Louis Vuitton backpack. Let's see if the tag is in here. This is the little exterior coated fabric, interior synthetic textile, and the trim is vachetta leather. This is what the little tag says. Hopefully that zooms in. You guys can see it. So I'm assuming that this is vachetta leather. It has the silver LV zipper pull. It has a side pocket here. Oh, this is such a nice dust bag. It's so nice. And then here is the back of it. And I tried it on. It fits perfectly. This has silver Louis Vuitton on here. Silver Louis Vuitton on here. And then has another side pocket, which is probably big enough for a water bottle. And then it has the 2 silver Louis Vuitton zipper pulls here. I don't think this came with a lock. I don't think you can lock it, actually. This is what the inside looks like. It has this one big pocket here, and then 2 little slips. It's like a black hole. And basically, that's it. That's the backpack. And of course, my iPad is why I got a backpack. This is the 12.9. I need a new case. I keep saying that. It fits right in the cover here, which is nice. So I'm sure it holds a MacBook. My MacBook is a 13-inch, and then this is it. And then this is what the bottom looks like. It looks like it has LV going this way and this way. LV going this way. And then the back has LV going this way. So yeah, this is the backpack. Where's my little tag it came with? I don't see my tag in here, what it's called. That's the only tag that was in here. And it seems a little dusty. This was the only one they had in the store, and it was on the shelf. So they pulled it off the shelf for me. And then this says, let's see, Louis Vuitton Paris. This says made in Spain. Made in Spain. I don't know if it's zooming in. This has leather on the handle here. And that's it. That's the Louis Vuitton backpack. I'm not sure which version this is, but I'll look it up and I'll put it on the thumbnail. So that's what your girl bought herself for her birthday. This is what your girl bought herself for her birthday, among other things. But this is my main gift to myself. And that's it. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. And I just had to let you guys know I had to get a backpack, because you guys know your girl loves a backpack. So my sister was like, why would you get a purse and you love a backpack? So I got the backpack. So don't forget to thumbs up the video, and I'll show you guys how I pack this when I pack it, and I'll let you know if it's a great carry, which I'm sure it will be. And it's so adorable. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you cookies in the next video. Peace out. Deuces. In the background is the ocean. We just cruising on a cruise ship. I figured I should get this while it was tax-free, duty-free, because the taxes are so expensive in the United States, and here it's actually 20%. So I figure I was getting the taxes back, so that saved me. So basically I just got it at cost. So peace out. Deuces. Stopped at this cute little hotel. This is the lobby to ask for directions to the Louis Vuitton store. I had to take my Carmen out to get a picture. It was so cute. And so they gave us directions, and then we started walking to the store. This is a view of the little walk to the store. I didn't take the whole footage because it took us a while to get there. We had to walk maybe like 6 blocks to get there, 7 blocks. But it's a cute, romantic place. The weather was like 89 degrees, so it was nice and warm and toasty and sunny. The people were so kind and friendly. We really enjoyed our visit at the Louis Vuitton store. The little cars and the little busyness. It's a busy place, lots of people, lots of tourists. But it was really fun to see. I think we had a burger while we were here. We stopped towards going back towards the ship to get a burger. And so yeah, so enjoy the views of Marseille, France. The taxes are 20%, so it's really, the taxes are really high. They have beach and ocean, and I'll insert some pictures of that as well. We did a hop-on, hop-off tour because we like to explore. We just really explored, did a lot of walking. So yeah, this is Marseille, France. It's stunning. It's beautiful. I can see why people would love to live there. So these are just a few pictures of the scenes from the double-decker bus. I just wanted to show you guys. And then here we arrive at the Louis Vuitton store. Most of the stores had this display as well. So here we are, just checking out the shoes and checking out stuff in the store. So thank you guys for tuning in. I will have another unboxing after this. So if you're interested in seeing that, or if you stayed to this part of the video, leave a little box so your girl know where you left off at. And I'll see you cookies in the next video, and I'll just leave you browsing the store with me. Don't forget to thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace out. Deuces. This is Marseille, France. It's beautiful, you guys. I didn't really get a lot of footage, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful place. Expenses, the taxes are 20%, but you do duty free, a minimum of $100, $100 US. But yeah. Oh, stunning.